At 6:13, in your morning business report, Taco Bell is testing its own meat substitute.
And streaming viewership overtakes cable TV for the first time. Jane King is live at the NASDAQ with those stories and much more for us. Good morning, Jane.
Hi, Wendell and Caitlin. Good morning. A kind of a milestone here. So Netflix and other leading streaming services had a record-breaking 35% share of total television consumption in the U.S. last month. Now, Nielsen says American audiences watched an average of 191 billion minutes of streamed content every week in July. Well, Gen Z is bypassing Google for TikTok as a search engine. Nearly 40% of Gen Z members prefer TikTok for online searches, and that's according to internal data from Google. And Taco Bell is testing a plant-based meat substitute. It's made from soy and pea protein. They're making this themselves. The new menu item is separate from its partnership with Beyond Meat, but the chain says it does plan to have a Beyond product available by the end of this year. And despite being a longtime favorite of vegetarians, Taco Bell took a while to embrace plant-based meat alternatives. Stocks finished a little bit higher yesterday. It was kind of a choppy session, light trading, a lot of folks on vacation as we get in the second half of August. The markets this morning, though, are under some pressure. We're down about 200 points for the open. Live from the NASDAQ market site, I'm Jane King. Back to you.